Hey guys, it's fall at Blueprint. I'm Tripp Derrick Barnes, and we're gonna be doing some hydro painting today, but with pumpkins. What we're gonna do first is we're gonna prime these fake pumpkins. We're gonna cover the stem because we wanna make sure this stem is beautiful and untouched. We're gonna use fake pumpkins because, I mean, what's the point of using a real pumpkin when it's gonna rot like in a month? You're gonna want a bucket of water and your enamel gloss spray paint. Last, you're gonna want some sort of dirty old paint stick, just anything that you can repurpose, and basically we're gonna use that to get off the excess layer of paint after we've submerged the pumpkin. Don't forget your respirator. I mean, you wanna try to do this outdoors, of course. Like, you don't wanna be spray painting inside. It's just not a good idea, so don't do that. I chose fall colors just because it's fall, right? Hold the nozzle down for like 3 seconds, then let go, and then immediately start with your second color, then your third, then back to your first, then to your second, then to your third, and then back. This is fun. All right. So now that we've got our layers on there, we want to create kind of like a swirly effect, kind of a little galaxy themed. So that's when you grab your X-Acto or toothpick, anything you want to use, and you're going to want to swirl these colors around. Okay, so now that the layers are ready to rock, just grab a fork. It could be a toothpick, just anything that you can use to submerge the pumpkin so that, you know, you don't have to touch it with your hands. Because if I was to submerge it while holding this, then when I take it off, you're gonna see an imprint of where the layers did not attach to the pumpkin. And when you dunk it, make sure to go at an angle. And then maybe swirl it a little bit. That'll wrap the oil around the pumpkin. But do it real slow. All right, so now that it's fully submerged, you're gonna get all this excess paint and push it away. And then you're just gonna pop it out. Oh, nice. So now that it's out, you're gonna wanna take it off the fork. Try not to touch it. And I mean, you can put this on any surface, but obviously since it's not dry yet, it's best to find like a placeholder. I'm thinking about using this, the top of the spray paint. That way it barely touches any surface. And that'll dry in like 20 minutes. This is a great way to do something completely unique. There's not a lot of people doing this. It's simple. You can do it with your friends, you can do it solo, but at the end of the day, you want something that's gonna reel people in at your party or just your house. And since these are fake, you can reuse them. You can pull them out for next year. So be sure to check out Blueprint for more fall ideas and inspirations. We've got a lot more coming for you. Rock and roll.